2027 was clear and sunny. With the fresh warmth of a full summer day, the flowers were blossoming and the grass was richly green. The children assembled first, of course. Bobby Martin had already stuffed his pocket full of stones, and the other boys soon followed his example.
I'm sorry fellows, na-late ako ngayon. Nandito na ba lahat? Mag-uumpisa na tayo.
Hey, I forgot that it's the 7th of June. Late na yata ako.
Hindi pa naman, mag-uumpisa pa lang.
Oh, sa wakas. Andito ka na pala, Tessie.
Akala namin mag-uumpisa kaming, wala ka, Tessie.
Hindi ko kasi maiwan yung mga kasino ko sa lababo. Pwede ba yun, Joe?
Well, mas mabuti mag-umpisa na tayo upang magtapos tayo agad at makabalik tayo sa ating mga trabaho. Nandito na ba lahat?
Dunbar? Yeah, I think it's Dunbar.
Tama, si Dunbar nga. He broke his leg.
Who's drawing for him this year?
Me, I guessed.
Wala na bang pwedeng bumunot para sa inyo?
Well, there's that. 16 years old na din naman ako ngayon. Kaya ako na lang bubunot ngayong taon. Oddman?
Handa na ba ang lahat? Ngayon, babasahin ko muna ang mga pangalan. Lumapit ang mga lalaki at kumuha ng papel sa kahon. Keep the paper folds in your hand at huwag muna itong tignan habang hindi pa nakakabunot ang lahat. Everything's clear.
The people had done it so many times that they only half listened to the directions. Most of them were quiet, wetting their lips and not looking around.
Okay, Mr. Graves. How are you, Mr. Graves?
Hey Joe, I'm fine.
Mr. Delacroix.
There goes my old man.
Next is Mr. Hutchinson.
Get after bed, bilis. Bilis ka na.
Alright, fellows, makinig ang lahat. Ako ay magbibigay ng pahintulot upang buksan ang mga hawak ninyong papel.
Ang lahat ay dahan-dahan na binuksan ang hawak na papel. Sino kaya?
Sino kayo nakabunot?
Bill! It's Bill Hutchinson! Got it! Hindi niyo binigyan ng sapat na oras ang aking asawa upang bumunot. I saw you, Mr. Summer. It wasn't fair.
Be a good sport, Tessie. All of us took the same chance.
Tumahimik ka, Tessie.
Well, everyone, that was done pretty fast. At kailangan na natin bilisan upang matapos tayo sa tamang oras. Bill, you drawn for Hutchinson family. Sino pa ba ang ibang miyembro ng Hutchinson?
Ang aking mga anak.
How many kids, Bill?
There's Bill Jr., Nancy, Bill Dave, and Tessie and me.
Kung ganun, magbunot na tayo muli.
I think we ought to start over. Sinasabi ko sa inyo, hindi niya binigyan ng sapat na oras si Bill para bumunot. Nakita niyo yun lahat.
Remember, take the slip and keep them folded until each person has taken one. Ready, Bill? Nancy, are you ready?
Well, I'm not, but I don't have choice.
Bill Jr. Little Dave. Tessie. Bill.
I hope it's not Nancy.
Buksan nyo na ang mga hawak ninyong papel. Tessie? Bill, ipakita mo sa amin ang kanyang hawak na papel. Alright, fellows, let's finish quickly. Come on, hurry up!